Hello everyone, I hope you can see me. I'm wearing a mask and the glasses don't sit right. But anyways, I'm going to Costco today. I heard they got a lot of pothos at a very affordable price. So I just want to see what they have and probably film a short video for you guys. So let's go. Yes, they do have some indoor plants. Looks like they are quite popular. Look at these, the bottom shelf. I have a friend came to this exact Costco yesterday and they said they didn't see those plants. So they probably put them out on the floor today. So 7-inch assorted foliage in white ceramic pot for $11.99. The plant looks very healthy. Very beautiful Marble Queen Potho. And this white ceramic pot also very good quality. Okay, what else besides Marble Queen Potho? They have this Burnished Fern. So pretty. Look at this new leaf. So tiny. This one also $11.99. And they have this mini palm. So lush. Make sure you provide bright indirect sunlight to this palm and also high humidity. They also have some Dracena. Very beautiful Dracena. There are three plants in one pot. So looks like in this location they only have the Dracena, Marble Queen Potho, and Burnished Fern. Oh, and the palm. I saw some pictures on Facebook. Other locations in the US also got snake plant. Different types of snake plants for $11.99 as well. So make sure you check out your local Costco. Hopefully your Costco has more variety than the one that I'm in. And they have some flowers in clearance. I guess I will share with you because I'm here literally right next to the indoor plant. And it's 10-inch lantana. Is it how you say it? $9.97. They're not in the best condition, but they're not bad at all. And if you're lucky, you might be able to find some perennial bulbs also in clearance for $7.97. And one more thing, if you cannot find these plants at your local Costco, now it's time to take the screenshot. As long as you provide this item ID or item number, they should be able to search and let you know when they can get the plants in stock.